Good afternoon, all dear friends. Welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss some questions which are on the basis of calendar. So today, this video will be uploaded in English only, English language only. So if you want Punjabi videos, if you want the video in Punjabi format, then you have to wait basically, or you can watch the earlier ones. So this video I will try that this complete video will be available in English, because uh, it is the requirement of today's time that some students are asking the videos in English only. So in today's session we are going to discuss some calendar questions, and before proceeding to that questions, you have to be some knowledge about the calendars, like how many days in a week are there, and what do you mean by leap year, what do you mean by non leap year. So now we are going to start with very first question. If you find it difficult, then you can watch the earlier parts. So here I am taking the first question. My first question that I am taking here is, for a year 2008, students listen to my words carefully. For the year 2008, the calendar of January month will be similar to which month of same year? So in this question, examiner is saying that the given year is 2008. He is asking the calendar of January is matching with month which month of the same year. So here we have to find the month for which the calendar of January can be used. The calendar of January 2008 can be used. So students, in this video session we are going to discuss the concept from very basic to higher level, because this is a very basic question, but some students will make mistake here because it is a leap year. So we have to consider every concept, because sometimes you will miss this thing that this is not a leap year. You will simply consider February as 28 and your question will get wrong. So every concept, or you can say every point of view, you have to consider in the question, you have to consider in your mind for the given question. So let's start this question. We have to find the month of January calendar is matching with which calendar. So January, first of all we have to write January, then we have February, then we have March, then we have April, May, June, July. Students, we have to check all, because we don't know about the idea directly. So July, August, September. I am discussing this question in detail, so afterwards it will be easy. September, October, November and December. December is not required because that will be the last month, so we can skip this one. So now students, we have to write the number of odd days here. Now we have to find number of odd days in every month. Like in January, 3 odd days are there. In February, this is a leap year. You can see 2008 is not a ordinary year, it is leap year. So in February there will be 29 days. So out of that 29, 4 will complete 28 days will complete a week, and 1 day will be extra. So we are writing extra days, or you can say we are writing the number of odd days in the month. So in month of January, 3 odd days will be there. In month of February, 1 odd day will be there. In month of March, 3 odd days will be there. So 3 odd days will be there. So students, here you can check easily Which month? Now see, January 3 days, February 1 day, completing 4, 4 plus 3, here 7 is completed. Here 1 week is completed by adding these 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So that means from here we can decide that the month of the calendar of January 2008 will be the calendar of January 2008 will be similar to the calendar of April 2008. So or you can say the calendar of January and April for the year 2008 will be same. So this is the first question that you can note down, that which month has same calendar as January for the year 2008. So students, every time when you see January, you have to basically note down the method, and every time whenever leap year is given, like if I give you 2012, then again for this question also the month of January has same calendar as April, or you can say the April has same calendar as January, because this is leap year. This is again leap year and same process will be followed. I hope this thing is clear. Now we are moving to the next concept. Suppose this year is not leap year, then what will happen? So we have to know particular method. We have to clear every concept so that we can solve any question in the examination, because in examination we do not know which question is to be asked. So let's see how to solve such type of question. Let's suppose the given year is 2007. Now students, again I am repeating, this complete lecture will be, I am trying that this complete lecture will be in English. So if you want the lecture in Punjabi, then you can go to the previous video. So let's suppose this is 2007 is given to me, and now the examiner is asking same question, which month has same calendar as January, but this time he has changed the year. He has changed the year. In this case, the given year is non-leap year, or you can say it is a ordinary year. So here we have to find which month has same calendar as January. So here we have question mark. Now this question is similar to the earlier one. We will follow the same procedure, but here some changes are there. You have to note down that changes basically. So I hope you are enjoying the session and you are understanding the questions. If yes, then you can like, share and subscribe to our channel. Now we are starting from January, so it is January, February, March, April, May, June. So this is up to June. Then we have July, because we don't know about which month is going to match with January. So we are writing all July, August, September, October, November and December. December we have to not write, because that will be the last month. So let's see, in January there will be 3 odd days. In February, now it is a ordinary year 2007, or you can say it is a non-leap year. So in February there will be total 28 days. So if there will be 28 days, these are completing 4 weeks. So number of odd days in February for the year 2007 will be 0. This is the major change that will happen when the year will change. So if a normal year will be there, then in February month the number of odd days will be 0. But if the given year is leap year, then number of days in the month of February will be 1. So now number of odd days in January will be 3, February will be 0, March will be 3, April will be 2, May will be 3, June will be 2, July will be 3, August will be also 3, September will be September will 2, October 3, November 2. Now students, we have to find the completion of week. So we have to check the completion of week now. See 3 0 3. So it is 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8. Okay, this is not completed. So 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 2 21. So here the week is completed. Here the number of odd days are completed. So that means this is which month? In September month the week is completed. The number of days, odd days are completed. So that means the next month, which is October, this is the next month. So next month is October, and October month has same calendar as January month, but this is for which case? This is for normal year. Normal year, or you can say non-leap year. The month of January and month of October has same calendar, same days, same calendar, but for a leap year the January calendar is matching with April. So two questions we have done in this video up to this time, and I have tried my best to explain the question. Now we will move to the next question. I hope these two questions are clear. If any doubt is there, then you can drop the message on my WhatsApp number that will be available at the end of the video, or that will be available in the description box of my YouTube channel. So now we are moving to the third question. Similar type of two questions we will also we will discuss here. Then we will move to the next type of question that will be asked from calendar topic. So now we are going to discuss the third question. The third question is saying that, let's take the year now 2010. So now the year is 2010, and the examiner is asking the calendar of March month will be same as which month of 2010. So in 2010 he is asking which pair, means March, calendar of March will match with some other month. So that month is asked with which month the calendar of March will be matching. I am taking these questions randomly, so answer can be there or cannot be there, because maybe there will be a month having the same calendar as March, or may not be there, because I am taking the question randomly. You know my nature about this habit, this habit. So I am taking the question randomly at my end. So this is March. We have to see the calendar of March. So January and February we will not consider for this year. First of all, check the year. This year is normal year 2010, not divisible by 4. So it is a what? It is a normal year. Now considering it as normal year, I am writing from March onward, because January will be not there, January and February. So March, April, May, June, July. So up to July I am writing. Then I will see if other month will be required, then I will write. Okay, let's write here July, August, September, October, November. So this is all done. So in the month of March there will be how many days? Odd days will be 3. 3 odd days will be there in March. In April 2 odd days will be there. In May again 3. June 2. July 3. August 3. September 2. October 3. November 2. Then we have December. So let's see. Next we have December. Let's see which month has same calendar as the month March has. For which year? For the year 2010, which is ordinary year. I am repeating this thing again. Now let's count the days. So this is 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, 1 week is not completed. 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 13 plus 3, 18, sorry, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. So here the week is completed. Here the number of odd days will be completed because the sum is now 21. So as the sum is 21, the next month, which is November, this month has same calendar as of March. So students, you can note down that the calendar of March month, so students, here you can see we have discussed about this question, and finally we got that the March month has same calendar as the month November has. So here with the question mark we have to write November month. But students, you have to not to cramp this one. I am not saying that remember this one, March is matching with November. I am not saying this thing that March is matching with November always, because you have to take care that this year is ordinary year or this year is leap year. This thing you have to keep in mind. Only then you can solve this question. But one more thing I am going to discuss. For the March month, February is not considered here. You can see. For the March month, February is not considered. So that means March and November. Note down this thing. March and November. This will be the pair which will be same for both the years. For the normal year as well as for the leap year. So students, now what we can conclude? We can conclude that if the given month is January or February, then the leap year will matter. Then the leap year will play some role. Otherwise, the leap year will play no role. Like if I will take the example of February month, and then compare that with the leap year and non-leap year. So 3 questions we have done. I hope this question is also clear that month of March will be matching with the month of November. So I hope this thing is also clear. Now students, we are moving to the next question, which is question number 4 for this video. And if you find that these questions are useful, you are getting something from the video, then you can like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So next question I am taking for the same year 2010. Firstly, I am taking this question for 2010, and then I will discuss this question for 2012. 2010 and 2012 I am taking here. So 2 years I have taken, and you can see I have separated the questions. So now examiner is asking the February month has the calendar of February will be same as which month of the given year. So 2010 February calendar will be similar to the another month of 2010. It can be possible or it might not be possible. I don't know because I have taken the question randomly. Same way he is asking that February calendar of 2012 will be matching with which month of the given year. So this is the question. Now leap year will matter. Now the given year is leap year or non-leap year. This thing will matter because we have to check the calendar of February. We have to match the calendar of February. So that's why here leap year will matter. And let's start the question. So according to the given question, let's write here after February. Sorry, we have to start from February. So it is February. Then we have March. Then we have April. After February we have March. So then we have April. After April we have May, June, July. Because I don't know for which month it will be matching, so I am writing all the months. July, August, September, October, November, and the last month will be December. So let's write the number of odd days here. So now students, up to December I have written the month names, and now I am writing the days, number of days. So in February, this is the non-leap year. This year is not divisible by 4. So this is what? This is non-leap year. So in February month, total 28 days will be there. So it will contain 0 odd days. March will contain 3 odd days. April will contain 2 odd days. May again 3. June again 2. July 3. August 3. September 2. October 3. November 2. And then we have December. So students, now I have to count them. So if I count, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 2 18, and then we have 18 plus 3 21. So here for a non-leap year, this is a 2010 is non-leap year, or you can say for a ordinary year, the month calendar of February will be similar to calendar of November month. You can note down this point that for ordinary year, for non-leap year, you can say the calendar of February month will be matching with the calendar of November of same year. But students, when I talk about the leap year, then scenario will change. Then the given scenario will change. Let's see how. I am writing February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and then we have December. So now for this case, now I am writing the number of odd days for this leap year. The given year is leap year because it is divisible by number 4. So that means the given year is leap year and it will contain 29 days. that it will contain how many days? It will contain 29 days. One odd day will be there in month of February. You can compare the two questions. One question I have taken for the non-leap year, which is ordinary year, that is 2010. 1 year I have taken, that is leap year, that is 2012. So you can compare these two questions, how the answer will change when the given year is leap year and how the answer will change when the given year is non-leap year. So in 2012, here you can see February month have how many odd days? February month has one odd day. February month 29 days. So one odd day will be there in the month of February. For which year? For leap year. Then March 3 days. April 2 days. May 3 days. June 2 days. July 3 days. August 3 days. September 2 days. October 3 days. November 2 days. So now we have to check which month has same calendar as of month February, for which type of year? For leap year. Let's see how to solve this question now. See, this is 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So here the scenario number of odd days will finish. Here the number of odd days will finish. That means for the given month, which is February, and for the given year, which is leap year. For a leap year, the February month has same calendar as of month August. So August and February are the 2 months which have same calendar. But for which year? For leap year, this scenario is right. If you are remembering this February and August pair, then you have to remember it also that it is a case of leap year. If you are remembering the scenario of February and November, then you have to remember that this is for the normal year, this is for the non-leap year. So now you can compare these two questions, how your answer will change when we will change the year from normal year to leap year. So basically students, whenever we will talk about January and February month, dates of January and February or January and February, then the date of leap year will matter. Then the normal year and leap year answer will be different. But if we talk about March month, calendar will be same as which month? Then for March answer will be same for both the years. Means normal year and leap year, the answer will be same for the month of March, for the month of April, May. The answer will be same for both the years. Either it is leap year or either it is a non-leap year. But students, if the examiner will ask about the calendar of January month, if the examiner will ask about the calendar of January month, then you have to take care of the year, it is ordinary or leap year. If the examiner will ask you about the calendar of February month, then you have to take care that it is a normal year or a leap year. I hope this thing is clear. So in the first 30 minutes, we have discussed about the calendar of same month, given year, same month, like February is the calendar of February will be same of which month. Let's discuss one more question, one or two more question. After that we will change the type of question. So my next question that I am taking here is the calendar of June will be same as which? The calendar of June will be same. So let's see. So it is, let's see, it is 2010. Let's see, let's take given year is 2010 and the calendar of June will be similar to which month? So we can reuse the calendar of June for which month? Now it can be possible also that the calendar of June will be matching with someone or not, because I am taking the question randomly here. So this question I have taken again at random. So let's see now. So now students, this is June and we have to check the calendar of June is matching with which one. So after June, let's write here June, then we have July, then we have August, then we have September, then we have October, November and December. Firstly, we will check that if any calendar will be available, then we will consider that, otherwise we have to write January and February, March, etc. all the months. So let's see, now it is January, it is June. In the month of June, 2 days are there. July, 3 odd days. August, 3 odd days. September, 2 odd days. October, 3 odd days. November, 2 odd days. So let's see the counting now. It is 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So this is not giving me any result. The calendar of June is not matching up to December. So let's see from January onward. Now it is January, it is February, January, February, March, April, and then we have May. So any month, let's see, calendar of June is matching. May we have 3 days, April we have 2 days, March we have 3 days, February we have, this is ordinary year, so February we have 0 days. So February is 0 days. January we have again 3 days. So from here onward you can check also that 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16. But this thing does not mean, so June, calendar of June month, you are checking here, no week is completed. So no week is completed here again. So that means the calendar of June is matching with no month, means there is no other month out of 12 which has same calendar as June. So the calendar of June is not matching with anyone. So this is the random question, that's why answer is not available for this question. So I hope you got the concept basically. Basically the concept learning is important as compared to question doing the questions, because we can do a lot of questions here, but basically you have to consider that concept should be clear to you, that how to find which calendar of which month is matching with calendar of which month again. Like January is matching with October and November, in which cases we have discussed that questions. So let's see another question, one more question I will see, then we will move to the next question. So now we are going to check the calendar of April is matching with anyone. Any year we can take, like April we have to consider the April. So normal year or ordinary year, that will not affect our answer. So now we are going to check that calendar of April month, calendar of April month is matching with anyone or not. So I hope you are understanding the questions very well. If any doubt is there, then you can ask on my personal number, that is available, that will be available in the comment box. So now we have 2012 and month is April. So now from April we have to consider April, May, June, July, Okay, so April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and then we have December. So this is all done. Yes. So April has how many days? 2. May has how many days? 3. June has how many days? 2. July has how many days? 3. August 3. I am writing the number of odd days. September 2. October 3. November 2. December. December we have to skip. So now count the number of days. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7. So here you can see the week is completed. So that means the calendar of July month will be same as calendar of April month. So calendar of July month will be same as calendar of April month. Now this question can be asked for any year. It can be asked for 2010 also. Answer will not matter. Answer will not change. The year will not matter because February is not considered in this question. In the solution of this question, February will be not considered. So we can we can remember this one, that April month, the calendar of April month is matching with July for any year. Either it can be leap year or it can be non-leap year. So this is the last question for month type. For finding the pair of months, finding the pair of month which has same calendar. So this is the last question. Now we are going to discuss the questions on the basis that calendar of which years will be same, like calendar of 2005 will be reused in which year. So that type of questions we will discuss. Now I am pausing this video. I will try to continue with this session. If this session will end, then we will continue that in the next part. So you can take the break also. This is all from this type of question, and if you feel that this video is useful to you, then you can like, share and subscribe to our channel. So students, now we are changing the pattern. Now we are going to discuss the calendar of various years. Like, let's discuss the first question. The first question that we are going to discuss is the calendar of 1997. So 1997 can be used again for which year? So the calendar of 1997 can be used for which year again? So students, now we have to consider 98 after it, 98, 99, then we have 2000 which is a leap year. So 2000, to check the leap year of a century year, we have to divide that number with 400. So 2000 is divisible by 400. That means 2000 is a leap year. Now after 2000 we have 2001, 2002, then we have 2003. I am just checking all the possibilities. So 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, and let's suppose 2008. Now students, you have to note down that for a simple year, or you can say for an ordinary year, the number of odd days are 1. For the simple year or ordinary year, non-leap year, you can say the number of odd days will be equal to 1. In 98 simple year, 1. 99 simple year, 1. Because there are 52 weeks, 52 weeks are there in a year. So when I talk about number of odd days, then out of 365, 364 are covered in 52 weeks. So one day will be left, that is called odd day for a year. But in 2000, that is a leap year. So in the leap year we have 2 days, because it contains 366. So 2 days will be odd. Again 2001 ordinary year, 2002 ordinary year, 2003 ordinary year. So 4 leap year, that contain 2 days, 5 ordinary year, 6 ordinary year, 7 ordinary year, 8 leap year. So 2008 is again leap year. Now we have to count the days, and wherever the odd days will complete, then that year have same calendar. So let's see which year has same calendar. So this is 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 and 7. So in 2002, at the end of 2002, 7 days are completed. So that means the calendar of year 2003, the calendar of year 2003 will be same as calendar of year 1997. So in this way you have to handle the question. Let's see one more point here. Then we have 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So that means after 2008, the calendar of, this is again completing a week, this is again completing a week. So in the year 2009, the calendar will be again, calendar of 1997 can be used in the year 2009 again. So basically students, you have to convert the number of odd days into weekdays, okay, into proper week. Like you can see, this is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So after 2002, the number of odd days will be converted into 1 week. So that means the calendar of 2003 will be same as calendar of 1997. Then after that you can check, this is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, that is 7. So that means after 2008, this is what? This is 2008. So after 2008, in the year 2009, the calendar of 2009 will be same as calendar of 1997, and the calendar of 1997 is same as calendar of 2003. So in this way you have to find which year, which of the following 2 years have same calendar. So some options will be there. We will see the questions in next video, but we are discussing the concept here. We are discussing the whole concept here, that how the calendar of 1 year can be used for another year. How this concept, how we can check which year can be used as which year. So that things we are discussing here. So I hope it is clear. One more question we will discuss here. After that we will end this session. So next question I am taking, the calendar of 2002 can be used again for which year? So here I am taking 2002. So the question is, the calendar of 2002 year can be used again in which year? So this is the question. So now you can see this is 2003 again. So basically we have to write the years. So 2004 there, 2005 there, so 2006 there, so 2007 there, 2008 there, 9, 10. So I think this is enough. Let's see we get the answer from that or not. 11, 12. Okay, let's write the number of days here. So in 2002, this is ordinary year, it will contain 1 odd day. 2003, ordinary year, 1 day. 2004, that is ordinary year, sorry, that is leap year, this is divisible by 4. So 2004 is divisible by 4, so that means it is leap year, it will contain 2 days. 2005, 1 day. 2006, again 1 day. 2007, that will contain again 1 day, and in 2008 there will be 2 days. 9, 1, 11, 10, 1, 11, 1, 12, 2. So let's discuss the concept now. After this question we will end this session, and one question I will give you in the homework. So this is now 2002, so it is 1, 2, 2 and 2, 4, 5, 6, and with this one 7 is completed. Number of days 7 is completed with 2007. That means calendar of 2008, calendar of year 2008 will be same as calendar of 2002. I am repeating my words. Calendar of 2008 will be same as the calendar of 2002. Let's move on and see the next thing. In the year 2008 there are 2 days, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means the year which will be after 2012, that is 2013. So the calendar of 2013 will be also same. So from this question we can conclude that the calendar for which year is same, the calendar of 2002 can be used in 2008 as well as it can be used in 2013. So this is all from the today's session. I hope this session is useful to you and you will find it useful. So you will obviously share this video with your friends, because this is a usable thing which must be used in the exam of a Patwari exam. We have started with the date of examination. So that is unofficially coming about 8th of August, but that is not an official announcement on the website. So we hope in the upcoming time soon they will declare the date, they will decide the date, and they will publish the date basically, because if they have decided for 8th of August, this is not officially announced. So this is all from today's session. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will like and subscribe to the channel, because if you find this video useful, then obviously you will want obviously to stay connected with this channel. So this is all from today's session. Thank you so much. And the last question is the calendar of, okay, you have to decide the month of May. The month of May, 2 questions I am providing. The month of May for year 2016. Now take care of this question. For 2016, the month of May has same calendar for which month? So here you have to find the month for which month the calendar will be calendar of May will be same for which month? Now the next question is the calendar of 2020, that is 2020 corona year. Most corona was started in 2019, but majorly affected this year 2020. So calendar of 2020, we do not want to repeat this calendar, because obviously no one wants the repetition of 2020 year. But you have to find the calendar of 2020 will be, or this calendar can be used in which year. So which year, you can find 1 year, you can find 2 years, that is your choice. So you have to decide that years, and you have to find that years, and you have to comment in the comment box. So this is all from today's session. Thank you so much. Take care, students. Bye bye.